The Storm Team Weather Lab, KMAC meteorologist Kellyanne Klass.
Well, we finally got some much needed rainfall yesterday. Some areas topped out at just over a ½ inch of rainfall, and some other areas were lucky to see over an inch. And some other areas were lucky to see a view like this one. This is out of Levelland, Texas. Thank you to RJ Garcia for sending this in, and you really cannot ask for a better picture. This is the reason why we study meteorology, because you see these beautiful views and you say this cannot be real, but it is. This is what we call a shelf cloud. It's the leading edge of that storm system, and behind that is where all of that severe weather lies. Those heavy rainfall rates, the thunderstorms, the lightning, even the hail. And this is also what I like to call the mothership. So that's not the actual term. The actual term is a shelf cloud, but still, you cannot ask for a better view than this. Here's a look at that same shelf cloud from Smyer, Texas. Thank you to Jason Davis for also sending this in. These views we just love. We love seeing these photos. We love seeing your photos, whether it's a shelf cloud, pictures of hail, lightning, anything. So we would love for you to send those in so we could share it with the rest of the viewers, because everyone, I think, just loves geeking out on meteorology. Another thing that we love to see is a little bit more light, especially in dark times. Yesterday was the 50th anniversary of the Lubbock tornado. And then we get this picture from Cotton Center where we have a full rainbow making its way. So it truly does show that even in darkness, there is some light. And I think especially with all this coronavirus stuff happening, it truly is a very good testament of that. For now, though, that system that brought us a lot of those rain showers, gusty winds, that shelf cloud push well off to the east, leaving behind some residual moisture in terms of some fog. But again, healthy rainfall amounts for many places coming in at about a quarter to almost a ½ inch of rainfall. Some places topping out over an inch. But after that has pushed out, it still is leaving behind a lot of dense fog across the area. We're supposed to be seeing downtown right now. You can't even see it. That's how dense that fog is. And you can see on our visibility tracker, it's all along I-27. So just keep that in mind if you are going to be heading out. Visibility now less than a quarter mile. We just have not updated that yet, or that has not updated just yet. So we are in a dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock this morning. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, the fog will break by later on today, and then we'll be watching as a dry line sweeps through. It'll help to spark off a few showers and thunderstorms after 4 o'clock. Becomes more widespread around 6, 7 o'clock along the I-27 corridor, intensifying and increasing in coverage as well. As it slowly pushes onto the east, we may see a few lingering showers behind that main line, but behind that main line, that severe weather threat is going to be diminished, and then it continues to race into the rolling plains just before midnight, and then we won't be concerned about any overnight storms. So today, severe weather threat not as big as yesterday's. Today we're just in a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5. But tomorrow we will be watching for a level 3 out of 5 for an enhanced risk for Cottle and King County. The rest of the area is in a slight risk for severe weather, with Lubbock in a marginal risk. So tomorrow we have the better chance to see some stronger and severe storms, especially to the east. Some models still indicating that most of that activity will be kept into the rolling plains, but some other models saying it will track a little bit more west. So we will keep an eye on that for tomorrow. Today, though, just in a marginal risk for severe weather. So a strong to potentially severe storm possible, but not expecting a lot of widespread severe weather activity like last night. High temperatures will range by later on today, anywhere from the lower 70s all the way down to the upper 80s, thanks to a backdoor cold front. Otherwise, we'll have showers and thunderstorms developing after 4 o'clock today. 88 degrees tomorrow. Everything dries out by Thursday. Highs into the lower 90s through Friday. Friday and Saturday, more rain chances are in the forecast, but then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the 80s return. So a lot of moisture today, and tomorrow we could do without the severe weather, and then thankfully only really one hot and dry day on Thursday.